Hi, my name is Manuel and I want to talk about table stands. Alright, when it comes to organizing your workshop or your garage, mostly what we showed and offered to you were wall holders, basically which you put on the wall, like behind me, and put, for example, your chisels inside. But we've got something new and we've got you covered. We're also now offering table stands. The cool thing is, on the one side, you can use them for the table, and if you don't want to put screws or anything inside your wall, it's a much more flexible and easy system. And we decided to make them also all for free, basically because we tried honestly in the beginning to put a price tag on them and it didn't work out at all. So the good news is from now on you can find them all, like all our other designs, completely for free in our shop and on Thingiverse and basically everywhere else. So let's have a look what we got for you. So as you can see, we've got those for a couple of different products, and basically it's all about the tools you need the most. So for example, one of the table stands for all of the different sizes of ratchets to get you covered, different variations for screwdrivers, basically the tools you need every day on your workplace. And as I already mentioned, the cool thing is that you can put them wherever you need, very, very flexible in comparison to more fixed solutions like wall holders. And basically you can think about how you want to structure your workflow, what you need, which tools you need the most, where to put them. And basically, as we are evolving with the project, we're trying to get to the point where you have the best solution for your own workflow. All right, if you want to download one of the table stands or any of the other designs, just go over to our homepage and check out the Enable 3D tab. We're probably going to do a site in English very, very soon. And basically there you can select for the table stands and find all of the different designs we're offering for you. If you rather go for one of the marketplaces like Cult, My Mini Factory or Thingiverse, just go over to there, search for Enable 3D, and you basically can find everything around there as well. And if you want to stay updated and see what's new, what we've got and what we're launching, basically my tip is to follow us on Instagram, because basically we're posting there all the designs we're having new and all of the most recent developments. If you think table stands in comparison to wall holders are a horrible idea, put it into the comments, let us know what you think. If you like them, like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow us on Thingiverse, of course. And if you still have some spare time to waste on YouTube, definitely check out our small documentary on the end card about our small little sustainability project, Returns for Good. This is definitely a couple of good minutes wasted of your time.